Premier Properties Management in Guam specializes in helping homeowners make their real estate dreams a reality. Are you looking to buy or sell a home, condo, or lot on the beautiful island of Guam? As your real estate specialists, we are here to guide you through every step of your real estate journey, ensuring your needs and goals are met. At Premier Properties Management, we provide hands-on guidance throughout the entire process. Our aim is to make your real estate buying or selling experience smooth and seamless. With our proven track record of quick, hassle-free closings and our dedication to client satisfaction, we stand out from competitors. Choose Premier Properties Management for your Guam real estate needs. Our satisfied clients speak for themselves. David Untalan, a happy homeowner, shares how we helped him build his dream home with unwavering guidance and assistance. Stan and Linda express their gratitude for our professionalism and timely assistance in selling their property. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we strive to deliver exceptional service. Buying or selling property can be intricate, but we at Premier Properties Management make it easier for you. We unravel the complexities with clear explanations, ensuring you understand every aspect of the process. Our goal is to simplify your journey, save money, and find the best option aligned with your financial goals and real estate objectives. Choosing the right option for buying or selling requires comprehensive understanding. Let Premier Properties Management be your guide. We provide all the necessary information, backed by years of experience in the real estate industry, to aid you every step of the way. Don't hesitate to reach out to us. Embark on your Guam real estate journey with confidence, knowing you have a reliable and knowledgeable partner by your side. Your Guam real estate dreams are waiting to be realized. Visit our website at www.premierpropertiesmanagement.com or call us at 671-687-5863. Our team of dedicated real estate professionals is ready to help you navigate the Guam real estate landscape and find the perfect property for your needs.